friends, today what we're going to do is we're going to make a volcano. And the ingredients that we need, or the things that we are going to need for this video, are 2 small plastic water bottles, 1 big juice bottle, 1 package of baking soda, some food coloring, a funnel, and some vinegar. And what we're going to do is we're going to do this step by step. Okay, first step, what you want to do is you want to take your juice bottle and put your funnel on top. And then what you're going to do is you're going to pour the whole container of baking soda into the bottle. Oh. That's one of the reasons why you use the funnel, folks, is so that it doesn't make as much of a mess. There we go. Now that we have our whole container of baking soda in there, and we'll clean up the mess later, what we're going to do next is we're going to get ready our vinegar and food coloring. Okay, so you can see that I've put the funnel on one of the small water bottles now. Now this is a little trickier to do with one hand, so we're going to try to see if we can get this without making a mess. There we go. Get your water bottle about 3/4 full. Kind of like that. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to choose the color for your food coloring. Now, most volcanoes, when we do them, we choose red. So I'm going to do red for one of the bottles. And then I poured vinegar into the other bottle already. So that's already ready. And what we're going to do, I think we'll add, maybe we'll do blue for that one. And then we'll see what reaction it's going to do. Hang on, friends. Okay, so I have my red food coloring, and we're going to put it into the first container. And I think we'll do maybe 12 drops. Okay, so we've put our 12 drops in there, and we're going to do the same thing with our blue in the container. Ready? You can count with me if you want. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Oh, an extra one got in there, so 13 for the blue. And what we want to do is we want to mix these up. So we need to put the lids on these. There's our lid. So we're going to put our lids on, and then we're going to shake them up to mix them. Make sure that lids are on really, really tight because you don't want to make a mess. Or if you do make a mess, then you can always clean it up afterwards. Okay, so I think my blue one is on there pretty good, so we're going to do a quick shake. There we go. That gets that in there. I've just noticed that this is not on properly, so if we were to have shaken that, it would have gone all over the place. So we're going to fix that. And then we're going to also mix that one up. Okay, so both of our containers of vinegar are ready to go. Our juice bottle of baking soda is ready to go. And because this is a pretty messy activity when it all comes together, my mom has told me that I'm not allowed to do it in the house. So I'm going to pause the video for a second. We're going to head outside and we will finish the experiment outside. Okay, now that we are outside, I've taken the lids off of both of the vinegar bottles. And what we're going to do is we're going to slowly put the vinegar inside the first bottle, and we're going to see what happens. Uh-oh, do you see it rising? Whoa, cool. Now, I wonder what's going to happen if we put some of the blue vinegar inside of our volcano. Ready? Let's check. Whoa! Kind of turned purple, didn't it, friends? So blue and red vinegar, when you put them together, made our volcano, the lava coming out of our volcano, turn purple. That's pretty cool. So we still have some vinegar left in our bottles. Let's see how fast we can pour the vinegar in and see if the bubbles will go even further up. Ready? We're gonna go quick, 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 quick. Whoa! We'll do the same thing with the blue. That is pretty cool. Okay, now remember friends, when you are done with the activity, remember to clean up your mess